The objective of this lesson is to learn about continue and break statements in Python. Sometimes it is necessary to terminate the current iteration or terminate the current loop in a for or a while loop. In those situations, you can use continue and break statements. The continue statement is used to skip the rest of the code inside the loop for the current iteration only. The loop does not terminate but continues on with the next iteration. The break statement terminates the loop containing it. The program jumps to the statement immediately after the body of the loop. Let me show you examples of continue and break statements in Python. In my text editor in IDLE, I have sample programs of continue and break statements. Let me comment out the print statements from continue and break examples and start with a simple program. The program that you can see here goes through each character of string computer and prints the character. So when I run this code, you can simply see that it prints COMPUTER and it says finish the for loop. In the next section of this program, which is here, I have put an if statement, and the if statement says if character is equal to P, then you will continue. What that does, the variable char would be set to each character of the string computer, and if the character is equal to P, it will continue. The result of this operation is that the P character will be skipped and will not be printed. So let's run this program and see the difference. As you can see, the first section of the program prints characters COMPUTER, which are all the characters of the computer. However, in the second section of the program, if the character is equal to P, you will get to the continue statement. In that case, you will break out of that iteration and go back to the next character, which is U. The result is that rather than printing all the letters of the string computer, you print COMUTER. Notice that the character P is missing. Next, let's replace continue with a break statement with the exact same code. As you can guess, when the variable char is equal to P, you will execute the break statement. What break statement does, it completely breaks out of the for loop, so that means the rest of the characters after the P will not be printed. When I run this program, you see that the last section goes through the characters of COM. The moment that it gets to P, it will execute the statement break, and in that case, it completely gets out of the for loop and goes out of the body of the for loop, which goes to this print statement, which basically says finished the for loop with a break. What did you learn in this lesson? You learned about continue and break statements in Python.